Hi everyone, it's me again, Irene. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video is about how to earn in Lucky Shopping. Many are still asking how to earn in this platform. So here, I will share my experiences and what I've learned as I go through this earning platform. First, you can earn from grabbing orders. The commission you've earned is based on the recharge amount. For example, in VIP 1, the 1K recharge, you will earn 70 to 80 pesos daily commission. If you have 2K recharge, you will earn 125 to 135 pesos daily commission. For VIP 2, for example, you have 5K recharge, more or less, or the minimum is around 400 pesos. But the highest I got, 465 pesos. If you have 7K recharge, VIP 2 7K recharge, that is more or less 500, a minimum of 500 pesos daily commission. Now if you have 10K, VIP 2 10K recharge, that is around 700 pesos daily commission. So the commission that you will get is based on the recharge amount. The higher the recharge amount, the bigger the commission. So another way of earning this up through inviting friends. You will invite your friends and you will earn from your friends' income. Or you can have commission from your friends' income. So for example, you invite friends to join us and you can get 16%, 8%, and 4% of your friends' income. So the method is by sharing the invitation link, invite new user to register successfully. Every time the member you invite completes an order, the platform will give you an additional commission based on the commission ratio. So for example, friend A is your first level income. You will get 16% of his income. For your friend B or your second level, you will receive 8% of your friend's income. And for your friend C or for the level C, or your third level, you will receive 4%. So it is just only up to third level. So from 16 for A, then you will have 8% for your B and 4% for your C. That is also other way of earning in this platform. Now, last time, maybe now it is already deactivated, the third one, but for me, I have enjoyed this third way of earning in this platform. From your invites, you can have the spin, the lottery. There in the lottery, when you spin, there are prizes, which is 10 pesos, 20 pesos, and there are, 5,000 and 10,000 pesos. But now that lottery is no longer available in the system. But for me, I have enjoyed it a lot, and I've also earned from that through my invites. So the ways of earning here in Lucky Shopping. First is through grabbing, and second is through inviting your friends. So kahit hindi ka na mag-i-invite ng mga friends, kung gusto mo lang magsusolo, No hassle. So just do the first one. And those who wanted to earn more, you better invite friends. Madali lang, di ba? You just only consume around 20 to 30 minutes in a day. So, sa mga naka-register na, so ano pang hinihintay nyo? Recharge na. So, that ends our video today. Hope you learned something from it. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye-bye!